Even with all the dust on the phone, the many years that we spent on researching this product, you can just pull the dust removing tape to remove all the dust, swipe and peel to remove all the air bubbles. Now you can swipe the edges, and as you can see, no dust, no air bubbles, less than 15 seconds. This is the privacy version. It protects your privacy from both sides 28 degrees. Our hydrophobic electroplated oleophobic layer gives you a silky smooth surface and is fingerprint proof. Now it is scratch resistant. And not only that, it is extremely durable. Perfect. If you like this product, click on the yellow card below to purchase yours now.